How to import videos into Instagram Edits. Instagram Edits import video tutorial. In order to import videos into Instagram Edits, what you have to do is first of all launch the Instagram Edits app, and this is the interface you will see. So first, let's say you want to open a project or import a video from scratch to edit that video. After you launch the app, once you're on the home page, tap on this plus icon located from the bottom right and tap on gallery and simply choose a particular video of your choice. Once you have that, you can see I have imported the video that I might want to edit. But let's say I want to import another video on top of this video as an overlay or anything like that. For that, from the bottom of the toolbar, you can see various options. Go to this option here that says overlay, as you can see right here. So you want to tap on overlay, tap on gallery, and select another video from the process and hit the arrow button, and you can see it will be added as an overlay on top of this existing video. This way you can import videos into Instagram Edits. Hope this video helped you out. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.